She didn't hear you.
Is it good?
I think it is good. You silly. Is it yummy, Emily? Is it good? Is it lip smacking good? Mwah. Oh, did you blow a kiss? I love you. What a laugh this morning. That's eight, baby. What are you doing? Blow sister a kiss. Blow sister a kiss, Des. Des, blow you a kiss. Emmeline, what's the elephant say? What's the elephant say? That's what he says, I know. Sister, what's the elephant say? That's the doggy. Hang on. Let sister say what the elephant says. Is that the dog? What's the elephant say? You trying to do the elephant with your trunk. What's the pig say? No, don't tell her. Hang on. What's the pig say? Good job. You little piggy thing.